We are going to take a look at an AEM 103-52 single head wide belt sander. Please remember to hit the subscribe button, like, share, and turn on notifications to receive our latest videos as they drop. What sets this machine apart is that it is a single owner machine from a father and two-son custom furniture repair shop. Usually machines of this size come from shift shops and were ran 1, 2, or 3 shifts a day and are on the tired side. We even have the original bill of lading from AEM to them. This machine is best suited for someone doing wide work like slabs or tabletops who are on a budget yet need a hefty machine that can power through the cut. It uses 52 by 103 inch abrasives and has a 5.5 inch thickness capacity. Its large 9 inch spiral groove drum provides a lot of contact area. However, it also has 2 hold down rolls and a pair of shoes. This adds to the flexibility of what you can sand. It also has a large 3.5 inch face platen. The main motor is 40 horsepower, while the feed is 5 horsepower, providing more than enough power for your toughest jobs.